If you want to hide sections or containers on mobile in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to make an element disappear on phones without affecting your desktop layout. This is super useful when you want a cleaner mobile design, remove extra space, or show different content on smaller screens. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Elementor tips and WordPress tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the page you want to edit and launch the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, find the section or container that you want to hide on mobile. You can click directly on the section handle or select the container from the structure panel if that's easier for you. The important thing is to make sure the correct element is selected before you change anything. Now, on the left-hand panel, click the Advanced tab. This is where Elementor keeps a lot of the settings that control spacing, display behavior, and responsive options. After that, scroll down until you see the responsive section. Once you find it, click to expand it so you can see the visibility controls. Here you'll see options like hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and hide on mobile. Since our goal is to hide the section from mobile users, turn the hide on mobile toggle to yes. As soon as you do that, Elementor will set that section so it no longer appears on mobile devices while still staying visible on the other devices unless you change those settings too. If you want, you can also use the same menu to hide the element on tablet or desktop. That means you have full control over where each section appears across different screen sizes. This is especially helpful when you're building responsive layouts and want to keep your page looking clean and professional on every device. Just remember, hiding an element is not the same as deleting it. The section still exists in your page, and you can always come back later and change the setting back if needed. That makes this method safe and flexible, especially when you're testing different mobile layouts. Once you've made your changes, go to the top right corner and click Update to save everything. If you skip this step, your responsive settings won't be applied to the live page, so always make sure you save before leaving the editor. And that's it. You now know how to hide sections or containers from mobile in Elementor using the responsive settings. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.